Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change profile photo on TextMe. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, simply open your TextMe application. Tap on profile icon on the bottom right corner. Tap on your profile photo. Tap on your profile photo once again. Tap on Change Picture. Select the source. Select the picture that you want to keep as profile photo. And that is how you can easily change profile photo on TextMe. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.